Do you wish to achieve success within and through this highly chaotic period and any future endeavor? Well, we highly recommend following these 10 steps. The 10 steps to a results based monitoring and evaluation system. Step 1: conducting a readiness assessment. This means that an organization needs to ask fundamental questions relating to the what, why, and how ready it may be to start planning, preparing for elements of a monitoring and evaluation system that can facilitate decision making. Secondly, agreeing on outcomes. Derived benefits are the true measure of outcomes. Therefore, an organization must define and agree on what outcomes are expected so it can be properly monitored and evaluated. Third step: selecting key indicators to monitor outcomes. Success requires a measurable medium against which progress can be evaluated. An organization's selection of key indicators provide a qualitative and or quantitative means of measurement. Fourth step: baseline data on indicators. Knowledge of the state or condition of where an organization presently is proves vital in tracking change, thereby giving decision makers the ability to evaluate performance along the path to where the organization wishes to be. Fifth step: planning for improvement, selecting results targets. The use of baseline data, coupled with the resources available to an organization and the desired level of improvement, provides the framework for the establishment of targets within a given time period. Sixth step: monitoring the results. Set against the backdrop of a work plan, the performance of inputs, outputs, resources, activities, and outcomes need to be continually assessed to ensure both efficiency and effective use. Seventh step: the role of evaluation. This avenue provides an organization with an assessment tool in relation to planned or ongoing activities to sustain functional decision making. It can also provide valuable information on lessons learned about completed projects and programs, which can in turn provide a baseline for future proposals. Eighth step: reporting findings. It is highly important to accumulate, assemble, and document all project related information. Chief of these are the findings, which must be compiled and documented for ease of access by relevant team members, stakeholders, and organizations to promote accountability, education, understanding, and support, just to name a few. Our next step: using findings. The purpose of this entire exercise is indeed pointless if an organization simply ignores or sets aside the ultimate findings generated. It is this information that enables key decision making towards improvement and change. Finally, sustaining the monitoring and evaluation system within the organization. Having gone through these 9 steps, it is now fundamentally important to implement a long term strategic platform for continued success. This means adopting a framework for monitoring and evaluation within the organization, which, among other things, may highlight a need for continuous staff training and empowerment, accountability, and a clear cut modus operandi.
This video used 10 steps to a results-based monitoring and evaluation system written by Kuzak et al. in